What's up, YouTube? So there's a lot of I guess questions going around about how to set up NovaBot. So I'm just gonna do a quick little tutorial on how to set up NovaBot real quick. Pretty easy. I have links, put links in the description. But we have links on my channel, Twitch, Kick, exclamation point, NovaBot. Once you get that link, because you can't just get the bot, it's a waiting list. It's not out yet. But if you use the link, you can then get the bot. As you see over here, I have NovaBot sitting right here on the right hand side. Once you have the bot, obviously you need to set up your wallet, fund it. Then what you need to do is you need to go down here. When you first open up, this will be the first thing you see, right? Welcome to Nova. We have backup bots you can use if one goes down. We have guide, Twitter, support channel, and YouTube. Okay. Now all you need to do once you have the bot is go to NovaClick. Click NovaClick. Okay. That's going to tell you to download NovaClick, right? You download NovaClick. Okay. You have a guide here to explain it to you. If you all don't understand, there's a guide here. Okay. One second. Wow. Someone just ran it up and then dumped it. Oh, that was annoying. Anyway. So all you need to do is you click download. Once you download it, you're gonna come up here and it's an extension for Chrome. Right here it is. You can set up all your buy amounts and stuff right here. Save it. If you enable Normal Portal, then you have our panel. Then you have this little panel you can move around, kind of like wherever you need it, wherever you think it, you want it. You can also go into settings here and set up custom amounts and slippage settings and whatnot. You can do a couple presets. All right. And then just if you need to connect to Telegram, once you have this set up, you'll have to connect to it. Here, I'll just show you. I think it's easier just to show you. So you'll click this. Well, anyway, it's already set, but once you have it downloaded, you'll click NovaClick again, and what it'll do is it'll open up a page, and it'll be a Telegram page and tell you to connect your bot. Once it's connected to NovaClick, it'll tell you it's connected, and then you're good to go. You can buy and sell right here on the dashboard of BullX, GMGN, or Photon. Personally, I prefer GMGN. As you can see, they're here. Switch to buy, switch to sell. And that's it. Really easy. If you get disconnected or the bot quits working, just use a backup bot and just connect it the same way you did before. Just go to NovaClick. It pulls up like a connection script. You click open. It brings you to the Telegram page that connects the bot to Telegram to your NovaClick. And then once it's all clicked, you can select right about here on the page. Let me see if I can pull it up. All right, so this is what it looks like, okay? This is when you download it from Chrome, connected here, boom. Okay, and it's gonna open over there, launch NovaClick. There's that script I was telling you about, open. Success, you're now connected. Check your connection, you're ready to go. That's all you gotta do. Then you're good. If you ever have any problems or it gets disconnected, just redo it again. It's real simple. That's all you gotta do is just redo it. Sometimes I leave this tab open just in case, okay? They have a very good guide, by the way. You can also get to these pages with the guide, right? Just open the guide. Everything you need to know is in here. Okay, guys? If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But everything's in here. Your setups, your copy trades, your NovaClicks, your AFKs, your snipers, your selling, your buying, what your take profit and stop loss is, the settings for your buy and sell as far as your fees. Personally, I'll show you how I have mine set up. And if you don't have a whole lot of money to play with, this is how I would suggest you set yours up. Okay. So mine is set up like this. And if you want, just pause the screen and you can copy my settings. So on the buy side, I have 0.001. And on the tip, 0.001. You can take this off. You don't really need a tip. I put it on there just to make sure I get in and get out. Buy slippage at 30%. Sell fee is now 0.001 instead of 0.0001, right? There's 3 zeros up here. There's only 2 zeros here after the decimal point. Okay. So 0.001, 0.001, 50, 0.0001, 0.0001, 30. And that works pretty much every time. Now, if you're going to do sniper or you're going to try to snipe, like a migrating or a pump fund launch, you need to crank these up. You understand? You need to crank these up or you're never going to get in. Remember, the way it works is there's slots, okay? And when you want to get in on a project, there's a bunch of available slots. Obviously, the highest bid wins. So if there's 5 slots and 10 people trying to get in and your bribe amount is too low, you're not getting in. You're going to get pushed out later, okay? So that's the way it works. If you want in, you pay a higher bribe. It gets you the slot. You're basically paying for the open slot. Okay? So just remember that. All right? Hey, much love, everybody. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next one.